What's up, fam? So, just got out of the gym. I got a relatively early start. I'm proud of myself for that. And we're about to go find a spot to cook. Well, I know the spot that I'm about to cook. And we're gonna try Uber Eats in Ocala, Florida again. Hopefully, it goes a little bit better tonight. I'm not sure. But I decided I'm not going to spend the whole week because I just don't feel like it's going to be very lucrative here. So I'm going to try to get up to the Panhandle. I might try to Uber Eats there, or I might try to see how it goes. But I'm going to New Orleans after that, and I might just try to Uber Eats there as well. I'm not completely sure, but you guys are gonna come on the very short drive with me to the cooking spot. So it's really not too far from where I park and sleep. So this plaza has a Planet Fitness. There's a Walmart over there. There's a bunch of like car dealers and van lifers that park in these parking lots, so I feel like super comfortable. But the cooking spot is literally right over here. This is the spot that we were at yesterday. It's right over here. Sorry guys, I'm not putting on my seatbelt because we're not going that far. It looks like people are in the spot that I like to park in. So we're gonna just park over here. Ooh, golly, that's a big old dog. So I guess we ain't gonna park there. We gotta find a different location to park to cook. There's my guy. He always be talking and there's my favorite couple. There's an old couple that lives in their vehicle. They just be chilling. Um, let's find somewhere to park and cook. Cook and park. It's proving a little bit harder today. Seems like we're a little bit busy. Okay, it looks like the man in the truck is moving. Alright, so we just backed in. Another car moved over where I wanted to park originally. So now we're in our own little spot. I'm gonna get out and start to get my food cooking so I can eat and then try to do some Uber eating. I am definitely doing that other box of tater tots because they're so good. If you didn't see on the last video, get yourself to Aldi if you like Aldi. If you don't, I don't care. But if you're interested, they have jalapeno cheesy loaded tots and they are so good. I tell you, please try them. I'm on my third box. But let's get out and get to cooking. All right. Yes, we want to supply the generator. Yeah, you see that fit? You see you got the brown and the brown Adidas socks. Go crazy. But we're gonna. I think I pulled up a little bit too far. No, I think we'll be good. We're gonna go ahead and turn this into the kitchen, and I will be back. everything we need to start cooking our food. First, we're gonna do our appetizer. Those loaded jalapeno cheesy tots I told you about. And I wasn't the biggest fan of these, but I don't want to waste my money, so I'm gonna slowly eat them. So I'm gonna make a few of these with the tots, and then the main course is gonna be trout and broccoli for dinner for today and tomorrow. Let me get my shoes out of here. These are what I gotta wear tomorrow. Wash our hands. If I can get it to work. Here. There's soap already in there. Just gonna use both hands. Gonna go wash. You see the soap in there. Just gonna dry them off. Then we're gonna get to start to cook it. And I'm gonna bring you around here, my friends. Here, I just have all my seasonings. But the salmon's already pre-seasoned because I prepped all my meats. I think you probably saw that in the last video. Because this is going to be for the broccoli here. Frozen broccoli because it just stays better longer. I'm going to go ahead and plug in my air fryer. Plugging it into the truck. For those who are new and may not know, my truck has a built-in generator in its truck bed. All right. Sometimes it's a struggle because I be trying to do it in the dark. And for those of you who don't know, I also do have a Bluetti, but the air fryer just really drains the Bluetti. So I just typically plug it into the truck bed and don't have to worry about recharging the Bluetti. So right now I'm just gonna do these tots and a few of these shrimp bites for my little appetizer while I prep the broccoli and the trout. Yes, the truck is running because it's supplying power to the generator so that I really had high hopes for these. I mean, they might be better if I do them, saute them in a pan, season them up a little bit, make like a homemade spicy cocktail sauce. It might be better. I did 3 of them. Still got a whole bunch in here, so I got a lot left to do. And I need to get a trash bag so I can throw away my trash. Got my trash bag. Looks like it's got a hole in it, so I have to be mindful of that. Got some gloves to get the fish out so my hands don't get all fishy, germy. as you can see, trout's seasoned, marinated, looking pretty good. Gonna throw the broccoli in there. It's gonna be just like a one pot meal type of deal. Ooh, God bless me. Let's check these loaded tots, stir them up a little bit. Tots, almost there. Just gotta mix them up a little bit. Switch them around. Flip them around, shake them. Ooh, a little hot. A little hot in the bin, see. I want to eat one right now, but I'm not going to do it because it's still kind of soggy in there. But that's what we're working with. Put them back in for a little bit. Then we're going to go ahead and get this broccoli delied up. Because once that trout gets done a little bit more, we're just going to throw the broccoli in because it's frozen and it's already cooked. It doesn't need to cook for that long. Get a little avocado oil. It's pretty much the only oil I use unless I'm like frying chicken or something and I need like vegetable oil. Even then, I don't really like using that all the time. Forgot my fork. I need to get a fork. Not this man driving by, creeping, looking at me. Back with a fork. We're gonna get our seasonings, get a little bit. Oh, that one's not open yet. This is a mainstay. Aldi, I use it on everything. Simple, a little salt, a little garlic, a little parsley. Then we gotta hit it with the red pepper flakes because I love a little spice. Or a lot of spice. Depending on how my stomach's feeling. Then we gotta go with the Aldi brand Mrs. Dash. Just because it's got so many herbs and stuff. I just love this stuff. Once again, I put it on everything. Then we just gonna get in there with a little bit of pepper. Ground pepper. And then we're gonna take some of this garlic parmesan butter from Aldi. Just get a little bit of it in there with the broccoli. Make sure you just kind of spread it around, get it in there. And then there you have it. The main courses for my dinner for today and tomorrow. Prepped and cooked. Looks kind of crazy, but hey, it's gonna be good. I already know. I already know how I get down. Truck girl RD, making delicious meals out the back of my truck. Okay? Alright? Nomadic living in cities and towns. Soon to be hiking mountains in the west. One day at a time, we're getting there. But, yeah, I'm gonna get these tots out and get everything in. Actually, I'm gonna check these tots right about now. See what they're looking like. Ooh. 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 Yes. I can't wait. Alright, period. So tots are done. Ooh. Gonna get some ketchup and some hot sauce for those. So excited. And we're gonna get the salmon in. That salmon going in the air fryer. In the air fryer goes. So this is a Ninja air fryer. It goes up to 150 as this Max Crisp, which I use pretty much with anything I cook, to be honest. Air fry, focus, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate. This thing literally is like a godsend. Like, it is how I cook most in a lot of my meals, and it's just like so good to have because it like can pretty much do anything I need it to do, with the exception of like sauteing things in a pan, which I have my little one burner for that. I had a butane, like a, what do they call it, butane camp stove, but it broke. So I did like using it, but it broke. So I just got my one burner plug-in electrical. Luckily my truck does have that generator built in the bed, so I'm very blessed and grateful that my truck has all these little features to help me out while I'm on the road. But yeah, I'm about to enjoy these tater tots, get some ketchup and some hot sauce, and let that trout cook, and get this get the broccoli in there, and I'll be back showing you guys the finished project. See you soon. Alright, so main course is done here. We got that trout and the broccoli. We got, you know, my always go-to with my dinner, the probiotic Aldi fizzy drink. I love it. I topped my trout out with a little bit of honey. This is the only honey I got right now, but ooh, get out of here, Ryan, get out of here. Then I got my leftovers wrapped up and ready to go. Let me flip this camera around. So that's what we're working with. Nice, healthy, balanced meal after I had all those tater tots. But hey, it is what it is. I worked out hard. My leftover probiotic drink. And I'm about to crush my dinner because it's delicious. And then see what Uber Eating has in store. And I'm going to try to bring you guys along with me tonight. I don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to try. See you soon. Alright, so ate my dinner, feeling good. My core's hurting from being full and working out. But everything's put away. We got the truck bed back organized. I got my gym bag for tomorrow. Clothes picked out, what you saw me do all of that. I interchanged my cooler for the, what is this, a DC cord, to see if it takes less power on my power bank, because I did have like a regular plug for it, but I found this because I had lost it, but then I found it. So I'm gonna try to see, and I feel like it is taking way less power, so that's kind of cool. But I got everything through it. This is going my tripod from filming, water for inside the truck, my cookies because I'm always gonna be a low-key fat girl, all my trash from cooking that we are going to take to the trash can right over there. Oh, come on, that's my goal. This is a good sign. See this in front of us? That is my goal, to have myself a little camper and pull it with my truck one day. He got him a truck, and that's a perfect size. That's really all I need. Just a little camper for me. And hopefully I can bring my dog Still Magnolius on the road one day. But that is my goal right there. Nice little camper, got an air conditioner on top. It's nice. Limited wolf top. It's nice. That's my goal for life. Get one of those. Pull it. With Blizzy over there sitting pretty. Big Blizzy. Sitting pretty. One day, we're gonna have one of those. I'm manifesting it. That is the goal, to get one of those babies. Don't get me wrong, I love my Blizzy girl. Look at her. Ooh, ooh. There ain't a prettier truck on the road. Ah, it's so pretty, Blizzy. Boy, you gotta speak life into everything. Oh, look at her, so clean. So clean. You didn't even know I lived in her. So you see that bed back there, but look at that. So clean. Alright, chat. So we got our first order of the day. It's 4:30. I think it was like $8.59 or something like that. And the total of the order was like only 4 miles, so we're looking good. I mean, and it was only like 1.5 miles from where I was parked anyway, so we're almost there. Oh, we're going to the Waffle House. Okay, period. So got the order, gonna go in and retrieve the order. I'll be back, chat. I keep calling y'all chat. I'll be back, fam. See, this is what I'm not liking about doing this in these small little towns. Like, this is a second order that I've come all the way to, and someone else has picked up the order. Now, that would happen in Pittsburgh, but very, very rarely. Like, very rarely. And typically, like, it was because somebody stole the order and the restaurant was not aware. But this is like something that in this little town I've experienced a lot, and I don't want to keep wasting my gas going to pick up orders that somebody is, I don't know if it's the place of business not marking, taking it out of the system, or if it's the driver not marking it, but like, this is annoying. Like, very annoying. We're gonna still try to see what we can do, but it's like, that was a nice order, only 4 miles away, almost $9. I don't know. I'm getting kind of annoyed by this situation, but if I don't really make anything tonight, I'm just gonna wake up after the gym tomorrow and head to the Panhandle, see what it's like there. Then make my way to New Orleans, because this is crazy. Like, what? Who? Like, honestly, this is more than the second order that this has happened. This is like probably the 5th or 6th time that I've come to a place and the order's not there because someone else has picked it up. So but I'm trying to keep my faith. I'm trying to keep it positive. Like, it is what it is. I'm trying to be real positive about it. Keep my faith that I'm gonna make some money, because mama needs some money. Mama got some bills, so we gotta figure this out one way or another. One way or another. I'm just looking for a ride. Trying to maintain my positivity that everything is working out for me. 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 It's working out for me. Working out for me. Hey, everything is working out for me. Working out for me. Working out for me. Hey, everything is working out for me, working out for me, working out for me. Hey, everything is working out for me. It's working out for me. It's working out for me. It's working. Everything is working out for me. It's working out for me. It's Everything is working out for me. It's working out for me. Okay, see, sometimes you just gotta break out into song to make yourself feel better about your circumstances and to remember that everything is working out for you. Like, sometimes it just takes a little impromptu song. Sometimes that's just what it is. Okay. Yeah. Alright, I'm still waiting on a ride. I mean, not a ride. Ugh. Uber. I miss Ubering. I love Ubering. Just waiting on a delivery. Hopefully it's there when I get there. I really don't understand. Like, what? How is it not there? And why is it still in the system? Let's see how much I made last night. I made $25. Not even enough of the gas that I put in before I started yesterday, but everything is working out for me. It's working out for me. It's working. Yeah, we're ever expanding into different states, into different ways of being. So nothing is permanent. Not your pain, not your challenges, not the bad times. It's all temporary. It's all temporary. The sun will come out again. And even when the sun is not out, it doesn't mean that it's not. Let this helicopter airplane go away. It doesn't mean that the sun is there, that it disappeared, or that it's not going to shine again. It just means it's taking solace in the clouds. It's being hidden, but it will come out. It will. The sun never stops shining. Even through the clouds, the sun is shining. So, like, just think of yourself as a sun. Some days you're not going to be out. You're not going to be shining. But the inner shine and that glow and spark is always within you. You have to bring it out. We're going to McDonald's. We're getting this order. We're getting another order from Zaxby's or somewhere. And we're going to get multiple orders after that. Okay. Because I am motivated, and all things are working out for me. And it's always positive over here. Okay? You might have a slight moment of doubt, fear, things like that. But we always pep it right back up. Let's get to it. See you at McDonald's. So I picked up one order for like $13 and some change that was like 15 minutes away from where I was. And then I added like a $5.65 order that was like 2 miles away from the first order that I picked up. So we're chugging along. It's getting darker. It's about 7 o'clock. Like I said, hopefully the orders keep being in this flow. We're in this flow. We're in a flow state. We are receiving everything in the vortex that is for us is coming our way, and the vibes are immaculate, and they're gonna stay immaculate, and we're gonna make our goal of $100. I really do believe so. I really do believe so. It's still early. It's only 7 o'clock. We still got time. Since I've been traveling on the road, I can't always remember what day of the week it is. I don't know if it's Wednesday or Thursday. It's like because I don't have a job right now, and I'm just like shooting the breeze, living on a whim, traveling, seeing the world. I don't know what Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is anymore, because I don't have a schedule, because I'm not controlled, because I'm living free. I'm living what I want to do. I'm not exactly, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there every day. I'm getting there. But yeah, I really don't know. Like, people will ask me, like my family will be talking to me and they'll be like, well, do you know today? What's today's date? I don't know. You're asking the wrong one. You're the one that's in the Matrix. Okay, all right. You're not gonna go? All right. Florida is crazy. Like, I don't know what they be doing, bro. The driving here in Florida is crazy, bruh. The whole state. Like, I mean, Tampa is okay. Tampa was pretty chill. Jacksonville, crazy. Naples, crazy. Fort Myers, crazy. Ocala, Florida, crazy. I was in some backwoods town in Florida for like a night or two. Like a night. Like a 2 days and a night. I don't know. But yeah, the driving was crazy, and it was like in the backwoods. But we're 10 minutes away from our first drop off. So I'm gonna focus so I don't miss the turn. But yeah, things are going swimmingly. Much more better than last night's. Your girl is happy. I'm a happy girl. I'm a happy girl. I'm a happy girl. I'm a happy girl. I'm a happy woman. I'm a happy woman. Yeah, guys, but I'm gonna get this order dropped off here within the next 10 to 8 minutes, and then we're gonna move on to the second one and get another really good order. So I'll see you in a second or two. Probably longer than that, but you know what I mean. I'm silly. So we got another order, only like, what was it, 8 minutes away? I think like 3 miles or something, for a Wendy's for I think like $11 and some change. And together, like the full trip is only like 4.5 miles. Probably in Uber terms, like 5.5 miles, because they tell you it's only going to be a certain amount of miles and then they add a couple extra. But it's not too bad for $11 and some change. If I get another add-on order that's not too far, that'll be fire. Because I feel like we're not too far from our goal, and it's only 7:30. I think maybe like 5 more orders, and if they're all $10 or more, we'll hit that $100 goal in no time. So that's good. I mean, typically when I used to Uber and Uber Eats in Pittsburgh, like I'd make anywhere from like $250 to $300 a day. Plus, I had a regular 9 to 5 job that I don't have anymore. But um, $100 while I'm out on the road, just like, to get a few extra dollars because my savings is like depleting. I still have savings, but
in a quarter mile, turn left on West Highway 326 using the left lane.
Okay, girl, tell me how to get there. Thank you. I appreciate you, girl. Thank you for always telling me where to go. But yeah, getting, a couple $100 here and there throughout the week will be helpful. But I'm not stressed.
Turn left on West Highway 326.
I know when I get back home, like, the job will come, like, a job that will be maybe better, or even more money will be happening when I get back. And I know, like, when I get back to Pittsburgh, I can always Uber, like, and make a sufficient amount of money for what I need. So that's literally no problem at all. But yeah, I'm feeling so good. Like yesterday, last night, it took me out, but today we reframed, we rewired with a positive attitude, a positive outlook, and we're back on track and things are flowing and they're flowing so good and everything's working out for me. Everything's working out for me.